everybody, welcome back to my channel, Total Natural 14. Today's video is specifically about cloth diapering, and it's an informative video to share how I cloth diaper and what products I use for my baby. And if you are interested in seeing some other content, please make sure to let me know down in the comment box below, so then I'll know what videos you're interested in seeing and how that can pertain to your life. But today I'm just going to be making an informative video for those who are interested in cloth diapering and just getting to know a little bit more about cloth diapers. So if you are interested in this video, make sure to stay tuned, and here we go onto my cloth diaper stash. Got the table set up, which has my wipe warmers and some of the baby's products that I use. Mainly I started using my wipe warmer for reusable wipes, and I will show you guys what those normally look like. These are the reusable wipes that I was using, and I would just insert these into my wipe warmer with some water. Nothing special. It would be damp, not necessarily soaking wet, just a little bit damp, so it won't be so abrasive. But unfortunately I was unable to use reusable wipes because they were a little bit too abrasive for his bottom, which caused a lot more chafing when he was a newborn. So I decided to just switch to regular disposable wipes, which is fine, and they've been doing well for him. So I use these normally for my extra inserts inside diapers, so I just keep those there. But in my first drawer I have my cloth diapers, which are all-in-ones, one size fits all. And the reason why they are one size is because they have these adjustable snaps here, and these are called snaps. They're like buttons, and you can actually adjust the diaper to the size of the baby. So the very top third row is the newborn size, and the very bottom is normally the size as they get bigger, depending on how big your baby is, which my baby is around 15 pounds, and so I don't adjust these bottom snaps at all because he's pretty long in length. So this is the largest size in this all-in-one diaper. These are pocket diapers, and they have an actual insert area, or a hole where you can insert your liners, your special liners here. And the inside of the diaper has a material that is waterproof in the inside. Now this part here is really soft on baby skin, so it doesn't aggravate him at all. There are some inserts that you would never recommend putting directly on your baby's skin, like microfiber, because it's too abrasive and can cause irritation. But the particular liners that I use are all natural fibers, which are bamboo and cotton. The brand of diaper that I like to use, and the only cloth diaper I've ever used, is off of Baby. And here's the brand here. You can find them online, and I've used this not only with Zidane, but I've also used cloth diapering, this particular brand, with my first son Zion, and they work very well, and their inserts and their diaper covers are very good quality and hold up very well throughout the years. And so I've never had any problems with these diapers. Snaps also come on the side, so you can adjust to the baby's waist size, which is very nice. So this is like the most smallest waist to the largest waist right here. So yeah, that is the actual diaper that I use. And the colors I picked are just random. It's just a mixture of colors that I prefer to have. But these are just a little handful of diapers that are clean. The rest of them are dirty. So I just make sure to at least have 5 or 6 diapers always clean. The second drawer I have are my inserts and reusable wipes, which I also use as inserts as well. But I have different ones. I have the square cotton ones, and then I have a larger square cotton that's with the colored stitching. These are bamboo liners here, and they look a little different, but they're absorbent, not as absorbent as the cotton, so it kind of is not as wicking as cotton would be, so the baby can actually feel when he or she is wet, so they'll let you know and like kind of cry. So this gets them accustomed to knowing when they're wet, and they won't be sitting in their own waste or whatnot for a long period of time, causing themselves to get rashes. They'll know, so then they can alert you, which is really nice. I think it's good to have that. And these are cotton inserts, which they are pre-folds, and if you want more information on that, there's plenty of information on different types of folding diapers online, but these are just Gerber Baby cotton inserts, pre-folds. It's thicker in the middle and thinner on the side, so if you want, you could use this only and then just do a cover for the diaper, but I use them as inserts into the pockets. So I just fold them like that and insert it into the hole of the diaper, which I had showed you guys. So these are already set up with the inserts inside. So this is just like a regular disposable diaper for me. So when I have to change him, it's just simple and easy, changing him just like a disposable diaper, but instead of disposing the diaper, we save the diaper in a waste pail. So I have 2 waste pails, one for wipes and trash, second for the actual diapers that I will be washing, diapers and inserts. So this particular brand of waste pail is by Diapers, and they actually have a reusable trash bag, and that's what I have in mind, is a reusable trash bag that is in there. And it's great because you don't have to throw away your plastic bags and constantly have to rebuy and repurchase waste pail bags just for your diapers or wipes. You can actually reuse it and wash it with your diapers, so it saves a lot of money. And I'll show you what that looks like. I just keep my wet bags, some wipes down here, and extra baby products that I use. But this is the actual waste bag, and this is how that looks. It has a drawstring on it. Reusable waste bag is just like the reusable diapers, and the inside has a waterproof liner, so it's really nice. So it keeps everything, all the waste, contained inside this bag. This particular pail is by Costco, and it's a plastic diaper pail, and you can open it with your foot, so everything is hands-free. Same for the Deco, but it does have a lid that covers the top of it, and it also has a lock, so it prevents odor from leaking out, which is great. This one is just completely, you know, toss the diaper in there. I normally kind of shake the diaper and the insert out and then throw it in there. You can either use this as a wet pail, which means adding water to the waste bag, or you can use it as a dry pail. All right, everybody, so you saw my cloth diaper stash. Hopefully that helped you understand a little bit more about what is a cloth diaper and how to reuse a cloth diaper. If you have any questions about cloth diapering, please make sure to comment down below with any questions that you may have about reusable diapers. And if you have any special requests for videos, make sure to also put that down in the comment box below. Thumbs up this video and like, and make sure to subscribe, share this video to anybody who is interested in cloth diapering and knowing more information about cloth diapering and how easy it really is. Thank you all for tuning in, and see you in the next one. Bye.